Hello everyone, today we're gonna do the rear brake disc and brake pad change on Audi TTS AG. Here you see, sorry for the dirty wheels, here you see the iron residue from all discs and brake pads. So we're gonna change them to grooved one with new brake pads. It's gonna look beautiful, then we're gonna wash it for sure. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is untighten these bolts. Yeah, just easily, just one time. Then you take your car check and you're trying to find the spot here under the car. It's different on different cars, but anyway you have to be there with your car check to lift the car. Okay, we are using our electric drill to raise the car. Oh, sorry. When you see that your tire a little bit up, you can stop. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Do not never forget about safety, because if car jacks go away or somebody touching your car or moving, or you will work here hard, you have to put something under your car. Okay, I put it here, it's enough. I'm gonna lower it down a little bit. Nice. Now we're gonna untight this and this bolt. Do not forget to release your parking brake, to take out the brake pad and the thing out to try to move the brake disc. You have to use 15K here, and there you have 13 hex nut, and you move it here up to opposite sides. You have to apply a little bit of WD-40 here. This is the iron thing you see on the rims. To unmount the brake disc, you have to first unmount this. You take hex, go inside. This. To apply anti-greaser here. Because from the factory it comes like a little bit oiled to not get rust. Of the old disc, it was possible to make it without unmounting the full system. Now let's try to put the new one very gently, like this. Okay, now we installed the new brake disc. Do not forget to fix it. Now we're installing the new hardware. Now we're installing our caliper. Yeah, nice. Good. All the system in now. Now we're gonna fix it here. We're using the new nuts with the new bolts with a little bit of grease applied. While we have our rim detached, we can clean it nicely. This is the metal residue, the iron residue. Look how chemical works. Great. Let it for 30 seconds, for 1 minute, it depends on what chemical you have. Look here, oh my god. Look here, it's crazy. That's all metal, that's all iron. That's the proper cleaning of your rims if you love them. Now feel the difference. Now you see how it have to be. Yeah, like this. You have to fix just one for the start, it's gonna be easier for you then. You will tighten them nice when you put the car on the ground.